Open the peeler cover. Cut the paper near the paper ejection slot. Open the front cover. If the print head is not on the far right, move it to the far right. If there are ripped pieces of paper on the platen roller, remove them. Open the paper cover. Raise the release lever. Pull the paper out from the paper feed slot. Lower the release lever. Close the paper cover. Close the front cover. Close the peeler cover. Press the pause button. Your paper jam error will be cleared. To continue printing, reload the paper. In need of accessories, ink, or labels for your Epson ColorWorks C6500P, visit smithcorona.com or give us a call at 1-800-875-7000.